Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding the button until you see the Honor logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. After the watch turns on, you probably will see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will see the message that you need to download and install the Huawei Health application. To do it, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on Search and type in Huawei Health. And on the list of applications, you should see this application, Huawei Health. Tap on it, select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, you can allow permission for the notifications. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone to on your watch. But for now, you can deny it if you like to. I'm gonna allow it. And once you're done with the permissions, you will see the service region. I'm gonna tap on the service region right here, and you can scroll through the list, select the region you want to use. I'm gonna use United Kingdom, but you can select whatever you like. Okay, then we can tap on Next, Next, Agree, and you should see the health page in the app. Now tap on Devices, Add Device, and you will need to log in into a Huawei ID account. If you don't have an account, you can always make a new one by tapping on Register. I'm gonna log in into mine account, so give me a second. Okay, and after you log in, you will see this page. Tap on Next, Agree, and here we can tap on Let's Go, and you can allow or deny some of the permissions for the health features like heart rate, height, and stuff like that. So if you want the app to write those informations or read them, you will need to allow the permissions. To do it, you tap on the switch next to the permission to allow it. So for example, let's say you want to measure the heart rate on your watch and you want the app to see that heart rate. You will need to enable the heart rate here and enable the heart rate here for it to work. I'm gonna tap on Turn on All and then tap on Allow, but you can customize it to your liking. And once you're done, tap on Devices again, then tap on Add Device, tap on Allow, and let's tap on Add Device again. Okay, and as you can see, the app detected our watch. Tap on Connect, tap on Agree, and now we need to go to settings on our iPhone. So we need to minimize the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, we need to find Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you will see the devices appearing, the Bluetooth devices. Let's wait until it's done loading. Okay, and once you see the Honor Watch GS Pro on the list, tap on it. Tap on the check mark to confirm. And the Honor Watch will appear on the list of My Devices. Once it's on the My Devices list, go back here to the app, of course, to the Huawei Health app. In the app, tap on Pair, allow ordinary ID permission for the notifications, allow ordinary ID permission for the location, contacts. You can allow or deny them, and once you're done with the permissions, you can also check the boxes to enable the auto download update packages through the Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So if you want to update, if you want the updates to install automatically, you can check the boxes and tap on that. Okay, and at this point you should see your Honor Watch GS Pro in the app on the device page, and if you wake up the screen on your watch, you should be able to use it. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.